Hi, Gary Carter of Davison, Michigan here, giving a video review of Timbercrest's roofing and siding. My wife and I hired these guys to come out here and tear off the old siding from our house that was 30 years old, weathered and cracked and woodpecker holes. It was time for something new. Right from the beginning, Ron showed up and gave us an estimate. He was right on time that day with the appointment for the estimate. We were a couple of months out because we hired them late in the summer, but right on time when they said they would be here second week of September, they were here and did a good job tearing it off, hauling it away, and installing new siding. It's hard to find a company that does what they say. These guys did. Brian and his crew were out here, parked their trailer here, and they were here every day working until the job was done. Thanks, guys. It came out great. This is it behind me here. If you can picture how it may have looked before, it was just a weathered mess and needed replacing, and new gutters, window trim, a couple of new doors they added for us. I can't get the phone to go the way I want, so it came out good. Thank you very much. Great job, guys.